Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a voiceover to your project created on the iMovie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select the project that you have already created from your home page and then click on the edit button. Tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. Scroll down till you find the voiceover option. And if you are ready to record it, tap on the record button. As you can see, the recording starts in 3 minutes. Now you are recording, which is indicated with this red part down below. If you are done with the recording part, you can stop it by tapping on the stop button. Here you can either cancel it, retake it, review it, or accept it, thereby inserting it. So if you tap on it, you will be able to position it within your project. So just simply tap on it and hold your finger on it and slide to the right or left side on this screen or on this scale down below, and position it to the right place where you want it to be displayed. So it will serve as a voiceover. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.